Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to set up a telescope. These will be step-by-step instructions with a beginner tutorial, so let's get right into this video. As you can see right here, I have this telescope and we are going to be setting it up. Now it is already partially set up, so I'm just going to completely sort of break it down and then I'll show you how to set it up once again. It's just two little additional steps. I just wanted to show you what it would look like when it is mostly set up, okay? So essentially, what you're going to start off with is some sort of mounting mechanism, which in this case is this tripod, and you're going to start off with your telescope barrel, okay? Those are the two things. Now this is actually the finder scope, and usually the finder scope won't be attached. It might be sometimes, but usually you're going to have to attach it. So you can attach the finder scope before you put the telescope in place. Mine is actually in place and I was struggling to remove it, so I just left it on. But you're probably going to have to attach your finder scope as well, which is this little sort of like mini telescope over here. So your telescope is going to mount onto your tripod or your stand in one way or another. Now this one actually uses two mechanisms. The first mechanism is this little nub that goes in here with a set screw. Okay, I'll turn this around with a set screw. And the second is like a tripod mount screw over here at the bottom. So essentially I'm going to place this telescope in place. Okay, I'm going to put the nub in that little spot right there. You can sort of hear it click in place. And I'm going to turn this set screw, and that's going to hold that nub in place. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to tighten this tripod set screw down here. It's just like the same mount that my camera is on right now. And that's going to tighten the telescope in place really securely, okay? So as you can see now, the telescope is tightened in place securely. We are absolutely good to go. I can go like this and it's not going to go anywhere, okay? So that's the first thing. Like I said, you're going to attach your finder scope if you need to attach it. The next thing that you want to do is potentially remove the dust cover. So your telescope might have a dust cover on it. Remove the dust cover so you can see through the lens over here. And the next thing that you're going to do is if you want to use a star diagonal, which is this little thing over here, you can actually insert that, or you can go directly to the eyepiece into the focuser over here. So if you wanted to do the eyepiece directly, you would loosen this set screw, you would place the eyepiece right in there, and you would tighten the set screw. But I'm going to show you how to use the star diagonal because this just makes it a little bit more comfortable. I'm going to make sure all this is on camera because I can't really see. The screen is not flipped out towards me. Yeah, everything's on camera. I'm just making sure. So you're going to insert the star diagonal into this focuser over here. And then you're going to tighten the set screw when you have it on the right angle of whichever angle you want it to be at. Okay? The set screw is going to hold the star diagonal in place. The next thing that you want to do is take the optical lens of your choosing and you want to sort of tighten it in place. So I'm going to take this smaller one over here, which is a 9.7 millimeter, and I'm going to place it in place over here. As a rule of thumb, it should only go in one orientation, and the softer part is going to be the part that your eye connects to. So the harder part is going to be the one that goes into place like that. So put it in place and then tighten the other set screw. Okay? And you set up your telescope. It's literally that easy. Now you can just go ahead and you can aim it at something. You can use your focuser to get the right clarity and you're good to go. That's it. That is how to set up a telescope easily. A full simplistic tutorial. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.